Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix MetaQuest 3 Wi-Fi connected but no internet DNS router captive portal fix. If your MetaQuest 3 displays a connected no internet error, it means your VR headset has successfully linked to your local router but cannot communicate with Meta servers or external web networks. This is commonly caused by an encrypted DNS handshake failure, automated router configuration, or a hidden captive portal page. The quick check time sync bug. The issue: Meta utilizes secure encrypted DNS servers for core background services. If the internal clock on the Quest 3 does not perfectly match the router's current time, the security certificate handshake will fail, prompting an instant connected no internet block. Fix is simple: open your Quest settings, navigate to System, go to Time, and ensure it is set to automatic. If it is already automatic but wrong, toggle it off and manually align it to your local time. Fix 1. Check for all active internet connection first. Connect your smartphone, laptop, or tablet to the exact same Wi-Fi network. Then open a web browser and try loading a brand new website. This confirms your internet connection is active. The root issue lies entirely within your MetaQuest 3 configuration. But if other devices face the same no internet error, the problem is with your network, not your headset. So follow these sub steps. Unplug the power cable from the back of your modem and router and wait exactly 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and wait 3 minutes for all lights to turn solid green. But if the reboot fails and no devices can get online, your area might be experiencing a service outage. So contact your ISP support line to verify line health. Fix 2. Manual DNS configuration. Static IP. Put on your headset and open Quick Settings. Click the clock on the universal menu. From there, select Wi-Fi, then select your currently connected home network. Then click Modify Network or select Advanced Settings. Now change the IP settings drop-down from DHCP to static. Again, scroll down to the DNS parameters and input these highly stable public addresses. DNS1 to 8.8.8.8, which is Google DNS. DNS2 8.8.4.4, Google DNS again. Alternatively, use Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Then keep the default IP address and gateway entries exactly as they were and click Save. Fix 3. Router configuration adjustments. By default, the Quest 3 uses a dynamic, randomized MAC address for privacy. Some routers interpret this shifting profile as an unauthorized threat and cut off its internet access. On your headset, open your Wi-Fi network settings, look for the privacy settings, and flip it from Use Randomized MAC to Use Device MAC. Next is you can disable QoS, which is Quality of Service. Multimedia traffic prioritization rules can choke standalone VR data streams. So turn off QoS in your router parameters to allow unfiltered access. Next, lock the channel. If your router automatically switches Wi-Fi broadcast channels to avoid local congestion, the Meta operating system can drop its internet handshakes. So manually change your 5 GHz or 6 GHz channel configuration to static clear channel. Example, channel 36 or 44 for 5 GHz. Fix 4. Bypassing a captive portal, hotels and dorm. Method A. Force trigger the web page. First connect to the public Wi-Fi network inside your headset and then open the built-in MetaQuest browser manually. Then type a simple unencrypted HTTP site into the address bar to force a redirect. Examples you can see on the screen. This explicitly forces the hotel or public network authentication prompt to populate inside your VR browser window. Then complete the login to activate full internet access. Method B. The mobile hotspot clone. First connect your smartphone to the hotel or public network and successfully complete the captive portal registration on your phone screen. Now turn on your phone's mobile hotspot feature and ensure your phone settings allow sharing the current Wi-Fi connection over the hotspot rather than sharing cellular data. Now connect your MetaQuest 3 directly to your phone's personal hotspot. Fix 5. Clear network cache and hard reset. Open the Meta Horizon app on your smartphone. From there, navigate to Menu, go to Device, and select your MetaQuest 3. Then enter Headset Settings and go to Wi-Fi. Now locate your home network and tap Forget Network. And then power down your headset entirely and perform a hard reboot by holding down the power button and the volume down button simultaneously for roughly 15 to 30 seconds. And when the boot selection screen appears, highlight boot device using the volume rocker and tap the power button to execute. Then reconnect cleanly to your Wi-Fi network from scratch. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.